These poppies came from my dad's garden when he was still alive, so I don't know what variety they are. But they have persisted here for all of the 40 years I've been living in this house. They do have a short period of being attractive plants though. After they bloom in the early spring, they make seeds and then die back to the ground, only to grow back at the base of the plant for the rest of the summer. If you don't dig in the flower bed that they are in and you keep it weeded, they will seed themselves all over the place. The problem is they look unsightly after they bloom and die back. The new growth at the base of a plant remains small for the rest of the year. So I'm searching for a good companion for them. It would have to be something that would not disturb the ground so the seeds can germinate. Here's one that hasn't bloomed yet. You can see the round bud on the end of the stem there. That's going to be a poppy when it blooms. And there's one that's already bloomed, and the seeds have fallen over.